So GPT-5 is finally here and everyone is talking about it. I just created these complex 3D simulation demos using GPT-5 and it just performed really well. So before we explore all of these different simulation demos, let me just take you back to GPT-5. So GPT-5 has got all of these different variants. The first one is GPT-5, which has 400,000 context length and it costs $1.25 per million input tokens and $10 per million output tokens. Then there is GPT-5 Mini, which costs $0.25 per million input tokens and $2 per million output tokens. Then there is GPT-5 Nano, which costs $0.05 per million input tokens and $0.4 per million output tokens. For me personally, I'm really impressed by its coding capabilities and I created all of these different 3D simulation demos using GPT-5 and I was really impressed by its performance. So this particular simulation is heart simulation. You can see these are the different parts of your heart. There are these atriums, there are these ventricles. So basically this simulation shows how your heart functions based on your heart rate. Then there is this 3D solar system simulation that shows the simulation of all of these different planets and you can actually change these time controls to make your simulation slower or faster. This particular one is an interesting one. This is a 3D neuron simulation and you can see this simulation is also fully dynamic. We can change all of these different variables to see the results in real time in our simulation. Then there is this 3D flocking simulation and you can see by changing all of these different parameters, we can see the change in our simulation in real time. So by increasing the speed, its speed will increase. By increasing the cohesion force, its cohesion force will increase. And also there is this 3D Rubik Cube simulation that can simulate in real time. These are the plenty of other coding examples of GPT-5 that actually shows that how much capable this AI model is. Just have a look at this game, which was created by just this simple prompt. So you can simply just like start playing this game and now you can see it's a fully functional game with a really professional physics of fully functional game. So this entire game was just generated with one simple prompt. So today's video is sponsored by Outskill. In 2025, 51% companies are already using AI. Microsoft, Google, Amazon all have laid off thousands due to AI. Around 40% people think that AI will take their job this year. It sounds scary, but here's what's not obvious. They are also hiring people who can understand AI, who can use it, who can build it. And this is not just about jobs. If you run a business or freelance, or maybe you're building something of your own, AI is not optional, it's leverage. The ones who learn AI now will outrun those who don't. So if you want to stay ahead, hire better, build faster, start learning AI today. So let me introduce you to this incredibly powerful 2 days AI Mastermind happening this weekend on Saturday and Sunday. 2 days with expert mentors, 16 hours of learning, 10 plus AI tools. You go from an AI rookie to AI pro and stay relevant for the next decade. Now here's the exciting part. This training cost $895, but I have partnered with Outskills, the world's biggest AI education platform, to give away 1,000 seats to my loyal viewers for next 72 hours. That's nearly 900,000 in free training. The AI Mastermind has been attended by 4 million people across the globe in last 12 months who have gone to using AI, building with it, getting salary hikes, being promoted, and some have even launched their own AI startups which are making thousands of dollars a month already. Whether you are from HR, marketing, sales, or even running your own business or freelancing, folks from all backgrounds showed up and absolutely loved it. So make sure your calendars are cleared for the weekend. The training is scheduled for the coming Saturday and Sunday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. on both days. Just watch what some of the past attendees have to say about this training.
You have done an amazing job. You should be proud. You thoroughly over-delivered.
Hey, this was mind-blowing.
So I had an amazing session. Last 2 days, I was hooked to my screen.
The lovely, really amazing 2 days.
Amazing. Really great. Like just hopefully life-changing.
Stood out is the energy you guys kept.
It was absolutely fantastic. Very smooth.
It's been a really great session.
Do you see how mind-blown people are after this training? You could be the next one. Now, I will reveal even something crazier to you. If you sign up right now from the link in description, you also get bonuses worth $5,000, which includes a prompt Bible with 3,000 prompts when you attend day 1, roadmap to make money with AI when you attend day 2, and your personalized AI toolkit builder if you attend both days. That even these people did not get when they attended. In fact, I'm getting all my team to attend this workshop and I would definitely recommend you to attend this. So without saying much, grab your seat and you can find the link in description to save your seat now before it expires. Make sure to join their WhatsApp community to receive all the updates. Now back to the video. Throughout this entire testing of GPT-5, I was comparing its performance with my favorite AI model for coding, which is Claude Sonnet 4 and Claude Opus 4.1, which was just released a couple of days ago. The good thing is performance-wise, both of the GPT-5 and Claude Opus 4.1 are almost in a head-to-head competition. But the only problem is Claude Opus 4.1 costs $15 per million input tokens and $75 per million output tokens. whereas GPT-5 costs only $1.25 per million input tokens and $10 per million output tokens. Now, GPT-5 is even cheaper than Claude Sonnet 4, which costs $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens. And also, Claude Sonnet 4 has only 200,000 context length, whereas GPT-5 has 400,000 context length with 128,000 maximum output tokens. The good thing is GPT-5 is now available for everyone absolutely for free. You can just go to chatgpt.com right now and start using GPT-5 absolutely for free. The only problem is we cannot access any of the previous models of OpenAI. Right now in this model switch option, there is only GPT-5 available, then GPT-5 Thinking and GPT-5 Pro, which is only for paid users. But both GPT-5 and GPT-5 Thinking are available for everyone. So yeah, we are all excited about GPT-5 and what it is capable of. In next few videos, I'll make more in-depth tutorials that how you can use GPT-5 to develop maybe like mobile applications or maybe like high quality websites. So just stay tuned and let me know in comment section what you think about GPT-5. I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.